Vivo NEX is the upcoming flagship phone from Vivo that is scheduled to go official in China on December 11. We are waiting for something official from Vivo about the NEX2. Yesterday, through its official Vivo account, Vivo had confirmed that it will be announcing something about the Vivo NEX2 smartphone. As promised, the Vivo has shared official renders of the smartphone. Moreover, a hands-on video of the Vivo NEX2 has also surfaced online that shows the front and rear design. The official renders of the smartphone clearly shows the Vivo NEX2 delivering marvelous screen experience since it does not featuring thick-sized upper and lower bezels. The rear side of the phone features a smaller screen, an RGB Lunar ring for notifications, triple rear camera sensors and LED flash. The hands-on video of the phone shows that the smartphone is indeed equipped with a big notchless screen that seems to offer close to 100% screen-to-body ratio. The rear glass shell of the phone seems to be sporting a gradient color. The handset is speculated to arrive the ice blue and star purple gradient color options. The handset continues to pop up on various corners of the web. Here we have some more leaked photos of the Vivo NEX2, but this time the picture focused mostly on the backside and the camera setup. According to gsmarina.com, the phone name will be NEX S2. The NEX S2 doesn't need a front camera, it just uses its current screen as a viewfinder and takes selfies with the vastly more capable rear shooter. The ring in the middle houses two camera sensors and one more on each side. It is called Lunar ring and double as a display scales with which you can adjust the intensity level of the beauty effect and the 3D beauty. Note that both modes are different from one another, yet the newly contradicts the previous ones as we can clearly see 4 cameras on the back instead of 3, and we wonder if the older reports are to be believed. We might be looking at 2 different variants, one with 4 cameras and one with 3. Finally, we learned that second panel is 5.5-inch big and the back has an earpiece so that you can use either side for calls. So yeah, that's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.